7 cost-effective digital ad types every business or small business owner should know. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I talk all things about paid media from a beginner's level, anywhere between paid media plans to Facebook ads to Google ads to different best practices, everything that I believe will help you if you are aspiring to be a PPC specialist or you're looking to hire a PPP specialist for your business or for your advertising. This channel is designed to help you understand more about what pay-per-click is and how awesome and amazing it is and things like that. So if you're new, welcome. I appreciate you taking time out of your day. Also, if you want to take it a step further, I do offer services. So some of the things that I specialize in, the top 3 is Facebook ads, Google ads, as well as media plan templates. So I'm always down to help out, to do discovery calls. If it's a good fit, then it's a good fit. If it's not, no worries. I also have a free resource or free paid media resource hub that houses all type of free templates for media plans and Google ad responsive templates, all type of things. So be sure to check that out. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. If you watch one of my channels, you know I could be a rambler. So to prevent that, I give myself 15 minutes to make these videos, because if I don't, then I end up turning a 15-minute video to a 30-minute video. But let me go ahead and get into it. So running ads as a small business owner can honestly feel overwhelming, especially when you're working on a limited marketing budget and you're competing against bigger brands. So the good news is you don't need a massive spend to get results. Thanks to digital advertising, small businesses now have the power and affordable tools to reach new customers and drive sales. So in this guide, you will learn about 7 of the most cost-efficient ad types for small businesses, how they work, and why they're perfect for growing a budget. Okay? Growing on a budget. So you'll see real life success stories. Well, I'm not going to go into real life success stories because I got to keep it only 15 minutes. But you'll learn actionable strategies and get really good advice on making every marketing dollar count. So you might be wondering, why the heck should you even choose digital ads? Well, there are a couple of reasons why. Okay. While, we do have traditional marketing like billboards and print still has value. Like for one of the agencies, or the agency that I do work with, we do have a traditional marketing or traditional advertising side because it still works, but it's very expensive. I will tell you that much. The budget for that is crazy. So there's still value, but digital advertising puts you in control. So here's why small businesses are prioritizing digital advertising. Number 1, you get targeted reach. So you reach exactly the right audience based on location, interest, behavior, and much more. Number 2 is cost efficient. So you only spend what you can afford, with the options to set daily budgets and control your cost. Number 3, you get real-time tracking, so you can instantly measure what's working, the clicks, conversion, sales, and optimize campaigns on the fly. Okay? You can also do instant updates, so you can make changes to your campaigns in minutes, not weeks. So those are some of the few reasons why. Here are the top 7 most cost-efficient digital ad types for small businesses. Okay, so number 1, Of course, it's a Google search ad. So Google is that's the head honcho, that's the king, right? Google is the top search result. It's the top search engine. So it appears at the top of Google results for keywords your customers are searching for. You only pay when someone clicks. So you're making a smarter choice for high intent leads. Number 2 is Facebook ads. So you can tap into Facebook's massive audience with precise targeting by demographics, interests, and behavior. So it's great for both awareness and conversion, with options like photos. So you can do images, carousel images, videos, all type of things. Those are the 3 main things that you can do on Facebook. You can do images, carousel ads, and video ads. Okay. Number 3 is we have Amazon sponsored products. So this is ideal for e-commerce brands. These ads put your products in front of shoppers ready to buy on Amazon. So this is often at a lower cost per click rates compared to other platforms. Next, we have LinkedIn sponsored email. So this is normally for B2B or service businesses. So you can reach professionals directly with personalized messages that stand out in their inbox, that's especially effective for high ticket services or lead generation. All right. And then number 5, we have Google Maps, which is you can drive foot traffic and calls to your location by showing up at the top of the local map searches. So this is perfect for restaurants, retail, and business services. Next, and honestly, you don't have to really pay for the Google Maps ads, because as long as you make a Google business account, then it will kind of do it for you. Anyways, next we have the Google display banner ads, which is it expands your reach by displaying visuals across millions of websites. So this is like really, display ads is like one of the OGs when it comes to ads, the different type of ads. It's been around for forever. Well, not forever, but I feel like it's been around about the same amount of time that digital marketing started to become a thing. I could be wrong, but ever since I was a little kid, I've seen so many display ads. But I digress. It can expand your reach by displaying visual ads across millions of websites in Google display networks. So you can use it to retarget website visitors and build brand awareness. Next, shopping ads. Google shopping ads is something that's new. It has recently emerged into the digital advertising world, but it showcases your products with images, prices, and reviews right in Google's search result. So it's highly effective for e-commerce stores looking to boost their return on investment. Okay, so why small businesses love these type of ads? Well, there's various reasons why a lot of small business owners use these ads and they love them. The first reason is because you can connect with high intent buyers and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg for it either. So you can, digital ad levels the playing field. So it can help small businesses connect with high intent buyers without spending an arm and a leg. You can track every dollar that you spend. You can pivot quickly if you know how to. You can pivot quickly based on results. And you do have different options, like with your daily budget, you can pause your ads at any time. That way you're always in control. Okay. So if you need help or you're looking for somebody to maybe help you pick out a type of digital advertising, you can reach out to me. I specialize in Google ads as far as search, PMax, Performance Max, shopping ads, as well as YouTube ads. I also specialize in Facebook ads and setting up media plans. I'm always down to do a free consultation. That way we can do a discovery call. I can give you some advice, and if it makes sense for us to work with each other, cool. If it doesn't, no hard feelings. You can also check out my free resources down below. And if you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you found this information valuable, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, sure, that helps. And with that being said, peace.